Today, from the office of the mob, justice, football. The month of June and July are open window periods where teams will be strengthening different departments, releasing some of the players. Since the 1st of June, some of the players will be out of the contract in most of the teams. But what I wanted us to touch on is the issue of preseason. I know that Orlando Pirates is a bit frustrated at the moment. Where are they going this time? Is Spain still their destination area? Or it was just the influence of Jose Luis Rivero? Where is Orlando Pirates going? Please take in Asia, there's still some hikings to take place. Is Kaizer Chiefs Football Club also heading to the Turkey this year? Is it diable for Mamelodi Sundowns to have a preseason? Meanwhile, they have biggest competition in Club World Cup to play. I don't think so. Where is Mamelodi Sundowns going for a preseason? Or it's not really necessary? Will TS Galaxy fly out of the country? We know they were in Germany playing some friendly match with some of the teams from Germany last season. Will other clubs follow suit? My biggest question is, since the Durban City case has not yet been finalized, will this affect the transfer market? Will they have necessary time to prepare for the league? How about the playoffs that has been put into pause? What about if Orbit are the ones to qualify on the promotional playoff? Will they have sufficient time to prepare for preseason? Please note that preseason are very crucial stages of the season that should you undermine, then you become the victim of relegation and bad results. Are they ready? I don't know. But nonetheless, where are the teams going to hit? But I think for Mamelodi Sundowns is given. For Chiefs, the same mentor is still there. They might want to go and do hiking. Udupri's favorite, the running, athletics. Let's wait and see.